Right guys, servicing this big old beast. 2 videos down. We've done the oil filter and the oil today. We've done the cabin filter, or the pollen filter, which was a shit video, but it sorted it. Now I've got 2 things left to do. I've got the air filter on that side and the air filter on that side to change, and I've got the fuel filter, which is down here, to change. I think I'm going to do the air filters first, guys. The first thing I'm going to do, because there's not a lot of room to get to these little screws, is I'm going to take 1, 2, 3 of these out and just take these little bits off here so I can get down there a little bit better. So that's the first job. Remove that and remove that. They're only on thumb screws. Okay, so we'll start on this side. Spin these out. And just pop the clips. Spin. And pull. And they should just come out. There we go. See a bit better now. So what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 posi drive screw heads. I'll get a screwdriver and we'll sort that out. That's where we are. 1, 2, 1 really sort of down there somewhere. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Well, the beauty is with these guys, you don't have to extract the screws fully. You just have to wind them till they're clear. And you can actually just move it up a little bit then. Just enough room to get your fingers in there. Pull that filter out and slide another one in. So, just on this side, there's actually enough room to get that filter out and put another one in, guys. No problem. Well, that's the one that came out of the left side of the engine. A bit shitty, a bit scummy. But you can't beat a new air filter. Okay, so let's get this one back in and just bolt it down again. Well, that just slid in there very nicely. So try and make sure it's seated. Push that back down. And just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws again. Screw them down, put that panel back on there. That's this side done, guys. Right, they're screwed in. I think maybe that one just there is the hardest one to get. You have to go in through the top here a little bit, and it's quite a long screwdriver. But anyway, they're all screwed back in now. It's all sorted, so we just need to put this bit back in there. That literally just hooks in somehow, and you put your 3 pins in. 1, 2, 3. Let's just get them thrown in there. 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's one side done. Let's go and do the other side. Well, as luck would have it, you don't have to bother taking this one off because you can get to the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can actually get to them, guys. So let's just unscrew them. Well, those screws came out a lot easier. So all I've got to do now, I suppose, on this side is the same as I did the other side. Just lift that. Now you notice on this side, guys, that the air filter is much cleaner. And the reason for this is, this side is the second turbocharger side. And it's not very often your second turbocharger kicks in. So this gets much less use than the driver's side over there. Or the passenger side if you're in the States. So most of the time these won't need doing. But I'm going to do it anyway. Let's just compare them with a brand new one. Right away. Can you tell the old one from the new one? You might say that one. That's actually the old one, guys. This is the brand new one. There's not really much wrong with that, to be honest. It's a little bit dark in places. But as I said, hardly gets any use. Now I could just leave that in. I just bought the one air filter. But I'm going to bin it anyway, and I'm going to replace it with brand new. That way they've both been done. Okay, that's the brand new one in again. So I'm just going to drop that back down. Seat it. And then just screw it down again. Okay, that's the last screw going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it, she's done. 2 air filters, guys. As I said, that's for the second turbo. It doesn't get as dirty as quick as the one on that side, because that's the one that's doing all the work normally. So you might just get away with being able to change one air filter, but it's always good practice to do both. Okay, that's it for me for now. So thanks for watching again. Remember to subscribe, guys. Now, it's not always about L405 Range Rovers on this channel. It's about marrying a Philippine missus. So there's all sorts of shit on here. I'll do a little bit on a Evoque, the 2.2 Evoque. I'll do quite a bit on my 4.4 Range Rover full fat. But a lot of it will just be life of me and Mrs. C Ascension. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've taken something from it. And I'll come back with one last video, and that'll be doing the fuel filter. And that's the one I'm not looking forward to, because apparently it's a messy job. Stand by. Oh, and just before I do go, I normally give you some sort of hot tip. Now, I learnt this hot tip off a German fella, and he's got a channel called LR Time, or Land Rover Time. If you've not found him on YouTube, guys, LR Time, Land Rover Time, German. Him and his wife, absolutely amazing channel. But he showed something on the video. I'm going to use this, I'm going to steal it. I do apologise, Christian. I'm going to steal it, because it's an absolute blinder. Now, something you've got to understand with these air filters we've changed, they have to pull the air in from outside somewhere, and they do it through here. That's where it sucks the air in. Right there. Same on both sides. Now, when the bonnet's shut, these sits here. There's a seal. What Christian said, there's some soundproofing bags just inside there, and sometimes these black soundproofing bags, they slide. They come this way, and they cover these holes, and they'll drop down into these holes. So if they've dropped into there, they've actually dropped onto that as well. So you're not getting much airflow, guys, because the bags, the soundproofing bags, will cover a lot of them vents. And they're generally just up inside there. So just feel around inside, and if you have got some, make sure they're nowhere near them holes, guys, because that'll throw a fault. I'll check that. Same on this side. That's where it brings the air in from. You understand the gist? Put your hand in there. Just see if you can feel them bags. Nothing in there. So that's the hot tip, guys. Look out for black bags in there that could come out, drop down, and block these air intakes. Right, definitely go in now. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.